Hi guys, today we're working on a 2014 BRZ. It's the same as the FRS, but a lot of people have been asking how to take the steering wheel off, so the airbag. I'm gonna show you guys how to take it off. Get a flathead screwdriver like this. There's a couple of holes, one up here, one right here, and one over here. There's these little clips, they're like a J clip like this, and you gotta put the screwdriver through the hole and push this clip in to release it. There's a hole right here. You can feel the let me see, yeah. You can feel it just, when you push on it, you can feel it giving you some tension back. There's one more on this side. I don't know if you can see it. It's identical to that. Let's see if I can catch it just right, and this thing will just pop. There he goes. And there's one more up here. I'll show you guys. Right here. I don't know if you can tell. I'll show you. Let me put. It's very simple. Once you get the airbag out, make sure you disconnect the battery before actually doing this. This car's flipped over, so it doesn't matter. The battery's already out. You got these little connectors. Take a little flathead and just get underneath this yellow connector and just push up halfway. That's all you need, because then the rest of it will just pop out. Same thing here. Just wiggle underneath it. Don't force it, you'll damage it. And then obviously the ground cable, which is here. This item is for sale if anybody needs one. We do sell it on our website. Card number 18034.